Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT T-Rex Pro and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the application you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon to open the profile page, and here you should see the list of my devices, and on this list you should see your AMAZFIT T-Rex Pro. Tap on it to select it and then scroll down through this page, find the unpair button and tap on it, then tap on unpair again and wait until the devices are done syncing, and then tap on unpair again. As you can see, the device disappeared from the profile page, and also it will reset itself to the factory default settings. Now we can close the application, and just to make sure, let's open the Bluetooth settings on our phone and see if we have any devices connected right here. If you have the AMAZFIT T-Rex Pro right here on the list of saved devices, you need to tap on the settings icon next to it, tap on forget device and tap on forget device again to confirm. But as you can see, I don't have it right here, so I can just close the settings. And at this point the watch is unpaired from our phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.